How to delete your Facebook business page in 2024. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook business page, this video will show you the exact steps to do it in 2024. First, open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com on your browser and log in with the account that manages your business page. Now tap the menu icon. On the app, it's the three horizontal lines in the top right or bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap Pages, then choose the business page you want to delete. Once you're on your page, tap Settings. On the app, this is usually at the top or under the three dots next to Edit Page. In Settings, scroll down and find General. Under General Settings, look for Remove Page or Delete Page. Tap Delete your page name. Facebook will show a confirmation message explaining that your page won't be permanently deleted for 14 days. This is a grace period in case you change your mind. Tap Continue, and then Delete Page to confirm. You may be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and enter it. Your business page is now scheduled for permanent deletion. If you log back in within 14 days and cancel, your page will remain active. Otherwise, after the waiting period, it will be gone forever. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Facebook business page in 2024. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech guides.